19 ways to make money fast. Make money with a side gig, whether it's freelancing online, driving passengers, or selling your stuff. Someday you won't have to worry about rent money and credit card debt. In the meantime, you have to take control of your financial situation. Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Need some fast cash? We're talking here about small bursts of capital, not millions of dollars, enough to satisfy your monthly obligations or get that nagging creditor to stop calling you. What are the best ways to make money right away? Number 1. Sell your gently used clothes. Selling clothes you no longer wear is a quick way to make some money. Start with local consignment shops for faster cash or use sites like eBay and Facebook Marketplace. If you go the online route, be sure to take clear, well-lit photos of your pieces and research similar items to set competitive prices. Number 2. Rent your parking space. Is your driveway paved with gold? If you live near a city center, airport, train station, or footy ground, it might be. You can earn cold hard cash each month by renting out your drive. Number 3. List your spare bedroom on Airbnb. Renting out your home or spare bedroom on vacation rental sites is another way to make extra money. Be prepared to spend some money to clean and keep up the property, replace home goods and pay toward service fees. And scrutinize your rental agreement before you get started. Number 4. Pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Number 5. Sell your photography. Turn your photographs into cash via sites like Fine Art America, which lets you upload your images to sell as prints, t-shirts, phone cases, and more. Other marketplaces for photographers include SmugMug, 500px, and PhotoShelter. Some sites require a subscription but may provide features ranging from cloud storage to password-protected galleries in a customized website. Number 6. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat videos into cash videos. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. With Google AdSense, businesses pay to advertise around your content. The service is free, but there are requirements you must meet. The secret to making money on YouTube is to create content people want that either educates or entertains. You can use a headline that's witty to entice people to watch, or you can use keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. Once you've reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours milestone, you can officially monetize your channel with YouTube ads. Number 7. Do translation work. If you need to make money now, translation work is a fairly underserved niche. You'll need to be fluent in at least 2 languages to do this successfully. So if you're bilingual or majored in a popular language in school, this may be a great money-making idea for you to try out. You will need to show proof of your ability to translate. If you have a language degree or experience translating text, make sure to show samples of your portfolio. Most companies will require a translation test. Keep in mind that you need to be fluent in the languages you're applying to be a translator for. So you can't use translation tools. Number 8. Trade in old phones, electronics for cash. Have an old phone, iPad, or gaming system lying around? Sell it on a site like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Check out Amazon's trade-in program, which pays participants in Amazon gift cards. Number 9. Rent out your car. A man makes money by driving for Uber or Lyft. City dwellers often don't use their cars for days or weeks at a time. That idle time can translate to extra money with services like GetAround and Turo, which let you rent out your car by the hour or day. You take home the majority of those earnings, while GetAround or Turo takes a cut for protecting your car while it's being rented. Number 10. Turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Podcasting doesn't have to be complicated, says International Living. With a microphone, laptop, and free recording software, you'll be up and running. Plus, podcasts don't need to run every day, once a week is best, and are better when they're short. There are a number of ways to make money from a podcast. The most obvious is commercial sponsorship, but you can also use it as a platform to advertise your own products or services. Number 11. Become an Instagram influencer. Companies are using Instagram influencers, people with large, dedicated followings on the platform, to represent their products. You can get in on the action by applying for opportunities via a marketing platform like Open Influence or Famebit, or by contacting the brands you want to work with. Number 12. Become a delivery rider or driver. Got a bicycle, motorbike, or car? What about a smartphone? That's all you need to make some extra money by delivering food or people whenever you've got some spare time. Double up your opportunities by directly contacting local takeaways and bigger chains like Domino's to see if they have any delivery jobs going. Number 13. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living by promoting other brands. If you're a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more. While earning a commission may seem small, keep in mind that you can be an affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. If you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet is to focus on content marketing. By building out a blog with several pages of high-quality content, you essentially create an asset you can call your own. The best part about focusing on content marketing is that if an affiliate program shuts down, you can switch the affiliate link to a competitor without negatively impacting your side hustle income. Number 14. Sell domains. If you regularly buy domain names but fail to use them, you can always try to sell them for a profit. Selling domains is ultra competitive, though. If you own a oneword.com domain, you'll have a better chance of selling. Words that have high search volumes sell well too. Also, domains that are on trend at that moment have a better chance of selling. For example, a year ago, fidget spinner domains were an easier sell than they are now. You can search for available domain names and buy a custom domain through the Shopify domain registration platform. You can sell your domains on GoDaddy's domain auction. Look through the domains with the highest bids to see what type of domains sell well. It'll help you know whether or not your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make selling them. Number 15. Profit from lost luggage auctions. Ever watched Storage Hunters, the show where people bid for the mystery contents of storage units? Now you can do it yourself, with lost luggage auctions. When airlines are unable to reunite lost bags with their rightful owners, they often sell them off via specialist auction houses, usually costing $10 to $75. It's also worth checking out police auctions, where forces across the country sell lost property or goods seized from criminals when they can't find the rightful owner. Number 16. Enter data online. Many companies need help adding files into databases. For example, a medical office may not have time to add their client documents into the database every day. To help out, you could get paid by the hour to add data to online platforms during your free time. The hourly wage varies, but in most cases, it's between $10 and $30 an hour. Number 17. Pet sit during your free time. To make extra money and get your animal fix, pet sit during your free time or over the holidays. Apply to websites like Rover or Fetch to connect with pet owners in your area. You'll take care of the pet at your own home, so you won't have to worry about coordinating at someone else's house. You could earn $15 to $90 an hour by watching your favorite furry friends. Number 18. Refurbish furniture. Refurbishing old furniture could make you a lot of money and be a fun side project. If you frequently find used furniture to flip for your own living space, you could also start a business. Consider flipping furniture and selling it on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or on your own website. Number 19. Help with resume writing. You may have already gone through your career and learned some valuable lessons. To help others get started on their own career journey, help write and edit resumes. Charge $50 to $75 per resume to bring in extra side hustled profit. Taking it a step further, design resume templates to sell to your favorite customers at a premium. Working from home is the perfect way to earn money. You could be traveling the world or enjoying your morning coffee in your pajamas while making money. Whether you're looking to start a side gig or a full-time job, doing it from your couch is a great option. Who knows, you could uncover a new passion or pay off your credit card debt. If you liked this video and it was helpful, give him a thumbs up. And if you want to see our future videos, I recommend you subscribe. Thanks for watching.